Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all notification.
Hello students, in the previous video we started our topic which is contraception and we discussed different methods like natural methods, barrier method and intrauterine devices. That's all we have already discussed. Now we will discuss some more method of contraceptions. So let's start. The next method of contraception is chemical method. Chemical method. This is the method in which some chemicals are used as a contraceptive. Like कुछ chemicals ऐसे होते हैं जो contraceptive का काम करते हैं and they prevent the pregnancy. Such kind of methods are used in this way. Now let's see what are the chemical methods. क्या क्या चीजें as in chemical use की जा सकती हैं. Some spermicidal jellies, cream, paste or tablets are used by the women to use as a contraception. So we can see that spermicidal means these are the chemicals which kills the sperms. Spermicidal का मतलब है कि sperms को kill करने के लिए use की जा रही है. तो spermicidal jellies can be used. Some creams, tablets or some paste etc. can be used as a spermicidal which can kill the sperm after when ejaculation, when the sperms are deposited into the female reproductive tract. Then these jellies can be used before this deposition. And what are the chemicals which are used in the spermicidal things are the like citric acid, lactic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, potassium permanganate, and zinc sulfate. Such kind of chemicals are used in these tablets, jellies, creams, and paste, and they work as a spermicidal, which kill the sperm after deposition of the sperm into the female body. So these are the some spermicidal methods by which the pregnancy can be prevented or work as a contraceptive method. Second thing that is used in this chemical method are the pills, and these are the oral pills. Oral pills can be used as a contraceptive methods. These oral pills are taken by the mouth by the females. These are used by the females. These spermicidal jellies and tablets etc. also used by the females. So this is also used by the only female partner. In these oral pills, that pills are taken by the mouth, and there are the different types of the pills available into the market. Some pills are taken, some pills work as a progesterone, and some are progesterone and estrogen combined. So they are known as combined pill. So we will talk about these pills. The pills, these are the tablets, and we can call it pills also. So these are the oral pills or oral tablets which are taken orally by the females, and in the combined pill. Combined pill, what happens? Combined pills are used in such a way in which they work as an estrogen and progesterone. दोनों हार्मोन का इफेक्ट create करती हैं. They produce the effect of both of these two hormones, progesterone and estrogen. That's why they are known as combined pill. And the most popular pills are which are used by the females as in contraceptive are the Mala D, and another one is Saheli. Mala D and Saheli. Out of this, this Mala D is the tablet which is taken regularly every day. It's to take every day. It's everyday pill. Daily, the female have to take this pill daily up to the time when it want to delay the pregnancy or not want to get the pregnancy अगर avoid करनी है, delay करनी है, तब तक ये pill daily लेनी होती है. And अब time जो होता है इसका, that is the 21 days. It has to be taken to the 21 days per month, just avoiding the first 4 days of the menstruation cycle. So it should be started by the 5th day of the menstruation cycle and then continue till the 21 days. A strip is labeled, एक पूरी strip आती है in tablets की, on which are the days and days are mentioned at which date these tablets has to be taken. So this is the Maladi. The another oral pill is the Saheli. दिस सहेली इज नॉन स्टेरॉइडल टैबलेट्स और नॉन स्टेरॉइडल है, कोई स्टेरॉइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है इसका. It's very safe and it has very high contraceptive value. बहुत safe है and high contraceptive value के साथ available है. This Saheli is a pill which is taken once a week. So it's a once a week pills. जैसे मालाडी के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया that it should be taken daily. तो ये रोज लेनी होती है but it's a weekly pill. It's a weekly pill which should be taken once a week. हफ्ते में एक बार ही पिल लेनी होती है and this Saheli is very safe. It has very high contraceptive value and it's very safe for the females also. And this Saheli, this pill was developed by the CDRI Lucknow. CDRI is the Central Drug and Research Institute of Lucknow. So यहाँ ये जो डिस्कवर की गई है by the Lucknow. So this is the center. So it's an Indian origin pill which was discovered by the developed by the CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute of Lucknow, and it's very safe and high contraceptive value. Again, this also work as a combination pill. Progesterone and estrogen दोनों का effect create करती है. So let's see how these pills works. कैसे effect create करेंगी. When these pills secretes or maintain the level of progesterone and estrogen into the body, they work as this combination pill. Then due to the effect of these pills, in pills के effect से the level of FSH and LH is inhibited. This level of estrogen and progesterone which is maintained by these pills, then it stimulates the inhibition of FSH and LH by the pituitary gland. And we can say that the secretion of FSH and LH is inhibited. Due to the effect of this inhibited effect, the ovulation do not occur. Ovulation do not occur. जब LH और FSH ही form नहीं होंगे, pituitary is not able to secrete FSH and LH, then how the egg will be formed? How the ovulation will happen? So in this case, there is no ovulation. When ovulation is not happen, then there is no chances of the fertilization. So we can say in this way they work as a contraceptive pills. Contraception का काम करती है, contraceptive pill की तरह काम करती है. So this is the important and very famous pills which are used by the many females. So this is a chemical method. In this way, we will discuss one more category after spermicidal and oral pill. One more type of chemicals are used. These are the some devices. And these are known as implants. So next chemical method is implants. These implants also work as an combined effects of progesterone and estrogen. उसी तरीके से जैसे हमने oral pill discuss किया, उसी तरीके से implants काम करते हैं. But implants are the devices which are inserted into the skin. They are inserted by some experts, some professional. They insert this implant into the skin. Like हम pills की बात करें तो pills को रोज लेना पड़ता है. Female को याद रखना पड़ेगा that she has to take these pills regularly. But in this case, there is no chances of missing the pills. यहाँ पे कोई chance नहीं है कि आपने miss कर दिया है. तो implants के अंदर same type का combination use किया जाता है and 6 cylindrical devices होती हैं. These devices, small size cylindrical devices, they are inserted into the skin. स्किन के अंदर इंसर्ट की जाती है बाय सम एक्सपर्ट्स और प्रोफेशनल्स एंड फ्रॉम देयर दे कंटिन्यूअसली मेंटेन द लेवल ऑफ हार्मोन्स. उसी तरीके से हार्मोन के लेवल को मेंटेन करके रखते हैं. सो दीज आर नॉन एज इम्प्लांट्स. सो इम्प्लांट्स आर इम्प्लांटेड इनटू द स्किन ऑन द अपर आर्म ऑफ द स्किन. बॉडी में आर्म में इनको इम्प्लांट किया जाता है. वहां से ये इसी तरीके से इफेक्ट करेंगी जैसे कि ओरल पिल्स कर रही थी. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इम्प्लांट इज द नॉर प्लांट. नॉर प्लांट is the most important implant which is famous and it is used, and these implants they prevent ovulation. These implants they also prevent ovulation and they makes the cervical mucus thicken. cervix जो होती है, cervix के जो mucus layer है उसको thick बना देते हैं so that sperm entry can become difficult. If sperms are not able to come inside the female reproductive tract, then in this way the fertilization is, there is no chances of the fertilization. In same way we can say that ovulation is also prevented. So they prevent ovulation. Ovulation को prevent करेंगे. No ovulation is done. And second effect that they create, they thickens the cervical mucus. cervical mucus को thick बना देंगे, and by this way the entry of the sperm become difficult. So these are the chemical method in which we can say that spermicidal jellies, paste, creams, tablets, extra use, etc. are used. Second methods are the oral pills, and these pills are used by the females, and two examples of these pills are Maladi and Sareli. And third chemical method is the implants. So these are the chemical methods by which we can say that pregnancy can be delayed or postponed. So these are the chemical methods. Now let's discuss one more type of method of contraception, which is surgical method. So now let's start surgical method. Now let's see the surgical method of contraception. This surgical method is also sterilization method. It's also known as sterilization method. It can be done into the male as well as female pattern. So we will discuss this method in the two ways, that male sterilization and in female also it is done. So it will known as female sterilization. So now let's see what happened in this method. What happens in the male? The vast difference, that is the duct which comes from the epididymis and it's carry the semen and carry the sperms. We can say carry the sperm from the testis. So this vast difference is cutted or ligated. Actually what happens in this method? These are the surgical method in which by surgery, some experts, doctors, they do the surgery and they prevent the entry of the gametes. इसपे gametes की जो entry है वो block की जाती है. तो main जो effect है surgical method में क्या होता है? They block the entry or the transport. We can say that transport of gametes. Block the transport of gametes. गैमेट्स का ट्रांसपोर्ट ही ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता है, और ये ट्रांसपोर्ट ब्लॉक करने के लिए जो पाथ है जिन ट्यूब्स के थ्रू और डक्ट्स के थ्रू गैमेट्स ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रहे हैं, उन्हीं डक्ट्स को ब्लॉक कर दिया जाएगा, या तो ब्लॉक कर दिया जाता है या कट कर दिया जाता है. सो दिस इज द परमानेंट मैथड इन विच the chances of the failure is very negligible, और in some cases it is non reversible also. irreversible होता है, किसी भी अगर कट करके join की गई हैं ट्यूब्स तो reversible नहीं होगा. but in some cases to avoid the chances, if the male or female they want to reproduce again, in this way this surgical methods involves only the ligation of these ducts. उस केस में सिर्फ ट्यूब्स को मींस लाइगेट किया जाता है, जस्ट बांधा जाता है, क्लोज किया जाता है, कटिंग नहीं होती, परमानेंट यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्रासेप्शन नहीं किया जाता है. So in this way what we can say that in the male sterilization the vast differences are the ligated और cutted. या तो कट कर दी जाएंगी या फिर लाइगेट कर दी जाएगी, जस्ट ज्वाइन कर दी जाएगी. अगर इस मेल को फिर कभी जरूरत पड़े टू रिप्रोड्यूस देन इट कैन बी डू द बाय ओपनिंग दिस ligation को ओपन करके then this male can be reproduced again. But in the permanent cases, if the vast difference is cutted in this way, this method is not reversible. उस केस में reversible नहीं होगा. But this method has the very high percentage of means it's very effective method. The chances of failure is very negligible because पूरी तरीके से यहाँ पे blocking की गई है, gametes transport नहीं होते. जब gamete transport नहीं होते तो there is no chances of fertilization. In the case of male where the vas difference is ligated or cutted, this method is known as vasectomy. The method is known as vasectomy where the vas difference is cutted or ligated. So we call it vasectomy. And in the case of females, the fallopian tubes, the tubes which carry the ova from the ovary से receive करके carry कर रही है, these fallopian tubes are cutted and ligated. So we can say that fallopian tubes are cutted or ligated. या तो कट की जाएंगी that और ligate की जाएंगी. And in the case of female, this method is known as tubectomy. Because the fallopian tube is cutted or ligated, that is known as tubectomy. So this is the surgical method which is done by these experts or medical professionalists. ऐसे नहीं कि किसी भी नॉन एक्सपर्ट से ये मेथड हम करवा सकते हैं, एक्सपर्ट्स के थ्रू ही होता है and it's very effective method of contraception. In some cases that like हमने सर्जिकल मैथड यहाँ पे किया है. एक और मैथड होता है जिसे हम बोलते हैं कैस्ट्रेशन. In this method, what happens? It's not a contraception method. It's the method in which the permanent removal of testis or ovaries is done. Permanently testis को या तो means destroy कर दिया जाता है या फिर remove कर दिया जाता है. That method is known as castration, which is also which can be done to avoid the pregnancy. So here we discuss all the methods of the contraceptions like natural method, then barrier method, then intrauterine devices we discuss. After that we discuss the chemical method, and now we discuss the surgical method. All these methods work as a contraception in which the person or couple which do not want the pregnancy, they want to maintain the gap between their child, or they want to delay the pregnancy, or even in the case of any unwanted pregnancy, जब भी कोई unwanted pregnancy के cases में है कि जहाँ पे pregnancy को avoid करना है, then these methods can be used. But these methods are not they are not used for the reproductive health. They maintain the population graph, population को control कर रहे हैं, but they should be used only in the cases of where they are required, because as we discussed that these are very effective methods, but besides this they have some ill effects or side effects also, like nausea and some hormonal disturbance, back pain, etc. Such kind of ill effects can be produced by these some methods, like chemicals and some hormonal effect can be created. So here we discuss the contraception method. In the next video we do with our next topic. So keep watching, keep studying and keep learning. Thank you.